It's actually a pleasure to be back with our CISPE friends, my CISPE friends, after certainly a period of physical separation, as you have continued to do quite important work.
The application of this 10 principle promoted by CISPE could lead just in Italy, in the national ICT sector in Italy, to an increase between 1.3 and 1.6 billion euros per year.
I think we have heard a lot about this earlier this morning. There is really a competition problem on cloud market and in Europe, and we need to make it more fluid for users in particular, to be able to pick the infrastructure, the services that correspond to their need.
Porting, switching, having termination clauses, having exit plans from the beginning when you start, these are all very important.
We're talking about 20% surcharge or increase in their total sales through the application of this practice, which of course did not apply to all the buyers of the license of Microsoft, but was concentrated on a small number of them. Now 20% is interesting because when you think about cartels, which is the worst, supposedly the worst thing you can do in competition, it's usually considered that really bad cartels tend to increase price between 10 and 20%. Okay, so we are talking about the same order of magnitude.
That's 20% extra cost for the private sector. It will be at least 20% for the public sector too, and that is taxpayers' money.
But the world is changing. The world is changing in an hyper-distributed model. And believe it or not, now customers, they are looking for solutions that are, first of all, interoperable, switchable, across territories, because their business is very much borderless.
Both digitalization and the green energy transition are top of the European agenda and will remain top of the European agenda. We have the Climate Neutral Data Center Pact, which is really an important instrument, an important vehicle. We're glad to see the significant engagement in that, and the creation of the certification process that is linked to that pact. We see strong signals from industry that would like to lead sustainability efforts, and we very much welcome that interest and that leadership from industry.
CISPE started Women in Cloud also to be focusing on it. We are a young group of companies, and my daughter is 18. I don't want her and her girlfriends to look up to the sky and be online and do not the background of data centers and cloud and how our technology is really working out.
Where are the managing directors, CTOs? So women like that, so they are missing, right? And